Science of Fireworks. Source, BBC, Smithsonian. By visualgk.com. What are fireworks? Firecrackers have been around for hundreds of years. They consist of either black powder, also known as gunpowder, or flash powder, in a tight paper tube, with a fuse to light the powder. Black powder contains charcoal, sulfur, and potassium nitrate. A composition used in a firecracker might have aluminium, instead of, or in addition to, charcoal, in order to brighten the explosion. A firework is essentially a missile, designed to explode in a very controlled way, with bangs and bursts of brightly colored light. The word firework comes from the Greek word pyrotechnics, which means, very appropriately, fire art, or fire skill. Chemistry of fireworks. An exploding firework is essentially a number of chemical reactions, happening simultaneously, or in rapid sequence. When you add some heat, you provide enough activation energy to make solid chemical compounds packed inside the firework combust with oxygen in the air, and convert themselves into other chemicals, releasing smoke and exhaust gases, such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen in the process. When the main gunpowder charge burns, this might happen, 2KNO3, plus, S, plus, 3C, yields, K2S, plus, N2, plus, 3CO2. Fuel. Gunpowder composition. 75% potassium nitrate. 15% charcoal. 10% sulfur. Allows firework to burn. Gunpowder, potassium nitrate, sulfur and charcoal, is often used. Oxidizer. Nitrate. Chlorate. Perchlorate. Usually nitrates, chlorates or perchlorates, required to provide oxygen for the combustion of fuel. Binder. Hold the mixture together. The most commonly used is a starch, dextrine, dampened with water. Chlorine donor. Chlorate. Perchlorate. Chlorine donors help strengthen some colors. Some oxidizers can also act as chlorine donors. Color producers. Fireworks get their color from metal compounds, also known as metal salts, packed inside. For red, strontium salts. For orange, calcium salts. For yellow, sodium salts. For green, barium salts. For blue, copper salts. For purple, combine copper and strontium compounds. For silver, white hot magnesium and aluminium. For white, burning metal. Physics of fireworks. The solid chemicals, packed into the cardboard case, don't simply rearrange themselves into other chemicals. Some of the chemical energy locked inside them is converted into four other kinds of energy: heat, light, sound, and the kinetic energy of movement. According to a basic law of physics, called the conservation of energy, the total chemical energy packed into the firework before it ignites, must be the same as the total remaining in it after it explodes, plus the energy released as light, heat, sound, and movement. Physics also explains why a firework shoots into the air. As it burns, the firework is powered by action and reaction, that is Newton's third law of motion. When the powder packed into the charge burns, it gives off hot exhaust gases, that fire backward. The force of the exhaust gases firing backward is like the blast coming out from a rocket engine, and creates an equal and opposite reaction force that sends the firework shooting forward, up into the air. Fireworks always make symmetrical explosions. If one part of the firework goes left, another part goes to the right. Why is that? It's because of another basic law of physics, called the conservation of momentum. The momentum of a firework, the amount of stuff moving in each direction, must be the same, before and after an explosion. So explosions to the left must be exactly balanced by explosions to the right. What causes the boom noise? The sonic boom is caused by the sudden release of a large energy mass into the air. The air expands faster than the speed of sound, and creates a shock wave. Kaboom! Why are fireworks smoky and smelly? Fireworks are made of potassium nitrate, charcoal and sulfur. The white smoke that you see in the sky after the firework has exploded is made of water vapor. The combustion heats the water that is present in the air, and it vaporizes around the black powder's potassium and sulfur particulates. Sulfur smells like eggs when it burns. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com